removable periwinkle, okra, Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In today's video I want to make okra ogbono soup. Okay, so let me show you guys my ingredients. This is my okra. I have already chopped the okra, and this is the ogbono well grinded. This is vegetable and onion. It's cow skin, and this is oyster and removable periwinkle, and here is periwinkle with shell, pepper, crayfish, fish already steamed, maggi, palm oil and salt. So now let me steam I wash my cow skin and steam it together with the periwinkle and cow skin. Fish, water, I'll wait for it to boil. Check the soup. Okay, now I will add my crayfish, pepper, removable periwinkle, maggi,